This is the cerebellum. Cerebellum, the outer ones will be the gray matter, the cortex. Okay, and then you can see the arbor vitae is not as good as that, but you can make it out. Correct? You can make it out. The white matter.
Okay.
Yeah. And then this should be pons. Picture here, pons. Okay. And then we have this here is the inferior colliculus, which is number 4. Inferior colliculus up. I mean next to the inferior you have superior above it. Yeah, number 3, superior colliculus. So colliculus, superior colliculus is to control visual reflex. Inferior is to control auditory reflex. So in a human being, these two are the same size, but in a sheep, the visual one is bigger. Reason again, because sheep is an animal with peripheral vision. The eyes are on the side. So by having larger superior colliculus, they have better visual reflex. So they can see the predator better. Okay? So that's why it's bigger. And then this is pineal gland, which is part of the epithalamus. It is number 5 here. Here. Number 5. Again, it doesn't look exactly like what's in the picture. Okay? Thalamus is here. Okay? And then under thalamus we have hypothalamus. So thalamus here and then hypothalamus. Okay? And then what's left of the optic chiasma. Okay? And then in terms of ventricles, we have 4th ventricle that's over here. This hole here. Hard to see again, but at least you can see a hole. 4th ventricle.
Yeah.
4th ventricle is connected to the 3rd ventricle. 3rd ventricle is number 9 here. Number 9. So it should be around underneath the thalamus, but again it's not clear, that hole. Okay? So it's connected by number 10, which is the cerebral aqueduct. Okay? Cerebral aqueduct should be underneath here, underneath the inferior colliculus. And then we have the lateral ventricle here. This one. I put a projection. Lateral ventricle. Okay? Lateral ventricle. And then this is corpus callosum. Remember the commissural fibers? Okay? Yeah. So that's here. 21 to 22. And then underneath it you get fornix, which is number 15.
Underneath it. Okay.
Here. Okay?
And that's the association
or you
fibers.
can say it's caudal. Okay? Caudal to the corpus callosum is fornix. Okay? And then after that you get this cingulate gyrus, which is part of the limbic system. It's number 26 here.
Okay.
Okay. And then what else have I missed out? No, I think I've told you about it.
Are you recording?
Yeah, the interthalamic adhesion, it's supposed to be like a middle adhesion that joins the left-right thalamus together, but I don't see it here. Okay, probably because I didn't make the cut well enough in the middle, so I didn't see that. And the septum pellucidum will be 12 and 13. Should be a transparent membrane. It's also not very clear here. Okay.
Okay.
So other than that, yeah, that's what it is on the midsaggital side.